In Episode 3, we're adding interactivity to our visual novel engine in Java Swing by creating choices that the player can click, allowing them to progress through the story dynamically. We'll load these choices directly from our JSON file, generate buttons for each choice, and update our scene seamlessly when a player makes a selection. First, we update our story.json file to include multiple scenes, each with a list of choices. Each choice will have the text that the player will see and a next scene ID that determines which scene will load next when that choice is clicked. Import Java Event Package classes, Java List Interface and ArrayList class to your project. Add field scenes from JSON array, current scene from JSON object and choice buttons from list interface. Make sure the list type from Java Swing JButton class. Next we need to modify our loadScene method and sceneMange constructor method. Include integer parameter scene into the loadScene method. Include if condition to verify if scenes JSON array is null. If yes, load JSON story file data to scenes array. When we load a scene, we clear out any old buttons from the previous scene. Loop through the current scene's choices array. For each choice, we create a new JButton, set its text, and position it on the screen. We attach an action listener to each button, so when it's clicked, it will load the next scene tied to that choice. After adding the buttons, we call revalidate and repaint on the panel. This ensures that the buttons appear immediately and that the scene's background, character, and dialogue are updated without requiring a restart. by following this process. Your engine can now read branching choices from JSON. Dynamically display choices to the player. Handle scene transitions automatically based on player decisions. This modular design makes it easy to expand your game with as many scenes and choices as you want without hard-coding your logic. Congratulations, you now have a working interactive visual novel engine in Java Swing. In the next episode, we will add background music and sound effects to bring your story to life even more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or the next features you'd like to see in this engine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Programming of Life.